Hey friends! I'm having my LED headlight with a sensor repaired today. The owner said a contact broke and it's not working anymore. I remembered the customer said the battery leaked and flooded everything inside. Let's take it apart and take a look. I see that the spring has fallen off, most likely from the electrolyte. The plate at the bottom is heavily corroded. Let's see what's inside. First, I want to check if this device works. Otherwise the work will be useless. To do this, I'll apply 6 volts from a lab power supply and check if the device works. As you can see, the flashlight works. So, I'll address the problem with the corroded contacts. To remove the faulty contact, you need to unsolder the wires. I found a similar contact from another toy, but it's mirrored, so I'll have to adjust it a bit. I'll shorten the plate with wire cutters, as the dimensions are a bit off. The adjacent one is also slightly damaged, but not much. And this one needs to be replaced. It can't be repaired. That's it, friends. The flashlight is working now. I just needed to replace the plate. The only problem was where to get one. They're often found in various children's toys. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye!